Hello friends, I am Tageshwar Verma and this is Common English Grammar चैनल। इस चैनल पर आज हम देखते हैं व्हील और सेल का प्रयोग है। व्हील और सेल का प्रयोग हम कैसे करते हैं, हाउ वी यूज व्हील एंड हाउ वी यूज सेल। फर्स्ट वी think about what is modal verbs. Modal verbs are those auxiliary verbs that is used in the to present power, ability, determination, create, warning, wishes, prayer, etc. Now we think about what are the members of modals, family of modals. Can, could, may, might, will, shall, should, would, could, ought to, must, etc. are the members of family of modals. In this situation, today we know about the uses of will and shall. How we use will and how we use shall. For this, we see the table that show the uses of modals. Modal shall is used with first person. I, me, my, mine. In simple future tense. It means we use shall with first person I, me, my, mine in simple future tense, and will in the following cases when the sentence or the sense of create, when the sentence or the sentence of create, warning, promise, or wish. Then we use will with first person. And another use of shall is with second and the third person is as follows. With second and the third person, with second and the third person, you, your, he, she, it, name, its name. We use shall with second and the third person in the case when the sentence of any create, any warning, any wishes, any promise, or any determination. In this situation, we use shall with second and the third person pronoun, and we use will with second and the third person pronoun in simple future tense. In simple future tense. Now we see the example that clear you the use of will and the shall with respect to first person and the second and the third person clearly. I shall go to school. I shall go to school. It is a sentence which is in simple future tense. Simple future tense. The sentence is in simple future tense. Because here shall and the verb's first form is given. Here we use shall with I in to show the simple futurity. So We always use shall with I to show the simple future tense. Take another example. He will go to a school. In the same case, it is also simple future tense. In this example, we use will with the third person subject he. He is the third person subject in simple situation. In the case of simple future tense, we use will with second and third person pronoun. Take another example of second person. You will go to school. It is also in simple future tense. Simple future tense. It is clear in this example that verb's first form is always used after will and shall. In another situation, when the sentence so when the sentence so the sense of create, then we use will, then we use shall with he see it. He shall kill you. He shall kill you. And in the condition of create, we use will with first form. I will kill you. I will kill you. Both the sentence of the sense of create. So we use here shall with third person and will with first person. In the same way, when the sentence show the sense of promise, when the sentence show the sense of promise, when the sentence show the sense of promise, then we use shall with second and the third person. You shall give me a bike, a kite tomorrow. It is a promise. तुम मुझे कल एक क्या दोगे? पतंग दोगे. It is a promise. He shall give me a bike. And in the condition of first person, will is used. I will give you a bike. I will give you a bike. When the sentence of the sense of any determination, when the sentence show the sense of any determination, we use shall with second and third person pronoun. He shall respect the elder. He shall get 80% marks. 80% marks. He shall get 80% marks. You shall pass this year in first division. You shall pass this year in first division. In the another situation, will is used. I will pass in first division. I will pass in first division. All the sentence, so the determination, so we use here with second and the third person sense and with first person. I when the sentence, so the sense of any wish. Then we